Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix Kingdom Come Deliverance 2 not launching, or it just keeps crashing on PC unless you get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is, if you have Kingdom Come Deliverance installed through Steam, you can go over to Steam, go over to Library, look for Kingdom Come Deliverance, and once you find it, go ahead and right click on it, hit Properties, and then go over to Installed Files. Now from Installed Files you can go ahead and hit Verify Integrity of Game Files, and this will basically remove any corrupt or missing files, and it will help fix that issue. Now what you can also do is, if you have it installed through Epic Games Launcher, it should be a similar process. Just go over to Library, go over to the game, go over to the game. Once you find it, hit the three dots and then hit the three dots and then go over to manage and then verify files, same process. And another thing you guys can do is, you guys can go in game settings and basically just turn down your graphics setting lower, because that could be a reason why your game is crashing. If your PC can't handle the settings, if you're on like ultra high settings, it basically can't handle it. So you could go ahead and turn that down. What you can also do is make sure your drivers are updated as well, and you can do that by going over to GeForce Experience if you are on NVIDIA. And then for AMD, you should just, I believe you can just search online, AMD drivers, and just download the most recent ones. But other than that, once you do all of these things, for NVIDIA, you can go over to NVIDIA app or NVIDIA GeForce Experience, hit not now, go over to drivers, and then you can update the drivers as well. And it will say if you have the latest game GeForce Game Ready driver. If you don't, you can go ahead and update it. But other than that, that should be it for the video. Go ahead and restart your PC after updating your drivers, and you guys should be good to go. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.